Hi, I'm Hal Meeks. I want to show you one of the favorite amenities here in Sun City Hilton Head. It's our nature trail, a raised walkway through a shady wooded preserve. It's just under a mile in length. You're walking from Colonel Thomas Hayward to Sun City Boulevard. Walkers throng here with the crack of dawn, as the early morning is one of the peak periods. As the sun asserts itself, the volume declines sharply, only to pick up again late in the afternoon. There are benches along the way, though when I filmed this, I was the only one doing any sitting. Some of the rest stops have water fountains, and a couple even have phones. You might see some of the animals who live in this forest. They won't bother you. In fact, I've been told there are signs in the woods urging the animals not to feed the humans. Yes, there are also signs with the rules for the humans. It's a peaceful, largely silent place with a flat, easy path for walking or running. Some people have told me they walk the trail a half dozen times daily. Feel like taking a walk? Well, y'all come.